So are stairs actually safe for dogs with arthritis? So let's look into this a little bit more. And I really do feel that stairs get such a bad rap. And I wanted to go into detail about how they can help and how you can make it safe. So it's important to note that I am not a vet, and this is just coming from a physio's point of view. So, can stairs be bad for arthritic dogs, or are they? Then, yes, they can be, but you can make them safe and you can make them actually helpful for your dog. So, why are they bad? It's because they can cause injury. So, as a dog is ascending or descending the stairs, an arthritic dog can't control their movements because of joint stiffness and weakness. And so they're more likely to have a fall and injure themselves. And also, sometimes, like, stairs are just actually really hard work. They require a lot of force to ascend and control to descend. And that means that it could actually lead to an arthritic flare up. So, the types of dogs that should actually avoid stairs are the ones that can barely walk, because if they can barely walk on level ground, they're not going to be able to ascend stairs, which requires so much more effort. So, it's absolutely okay for those types of dogs that really struggle to walk, they should avoid stairs. So, if they're a small dog, you can easily lift them up the stairs to avoid them. If they're a larger dog, then you can use a harness, which will take some of the weight off the joints and make it easier for the dog to ascend the stairs, and also help you not having to carry a heavy dog, and makes you safe as well. So if your dog can walk okay, so they do have arthritis, they can still walk but slowly, then you can actually make stairs a really beneficial strengthening exercise for your dog. So to make them safe, consider making them non-slip. So if they are tiled or floorboarded or whatever it is, you can add a non-slip mat or non-slip tape so that it's safe for them to ascend and descend stairs, and making the slip less less likely. You can use a baby gate, so that just says that they can only use the stairs with your supervision. And if they're going to rush up and down the stairs, it's actually really good to use a lead. So when it's time for them to use the stairs, attach their lead and collar and control their movements up and down so they're not running and increasing their risk of a fall. And to make it beneficial is to actually use them as practice. And this will help your arthritic dog have more strength, which means that there will be better function. So they're going to be able to move better. They'll have less pain because the muscle will be stronger to support the sore joint. And it means that they'll have a better quality of life because they'll just move so much better when they're stronger. So to practice, you can use a step like I have here in the picture. So it's a 2 up on a step. And you can just get them to practice going up and down that one step. Or if you have a flight of stairs, you can use the bottom step to do that exercise. If you do live in an apartment where there are, or upstairs where the dog has to ascend to, then get them to practice by just doing what they can. So functional, incidental exercise. If they're going up at nighttime anyway, let them do what they can and just support them the rest of the way using like a harness if it's an older dog, or lifting it if it's a smaller dog. So one concern is that stairs may wear down the joint more because it's such a difficult exercise. But the truth is that arthritis just naturally is progressive. It will just naturally get worse over time, and we can't avoid activity for dogs with arthritis. We've just got to be really wise about it to make sure that it's safe for our dogs. And I just wanted to encourage you that I know when we're scared of such a hard exercise like stairs, we tend to just do nothing. But sometimes out of that fear of doing nothing, we actually make things worse because we might encourage the weakness and the loss of function. So it's really important that if you're not sure if stairs are right for your dog, then ask your vet or a rehab specialist like a physio. If you have any questions, let me know. You can go to the Rehab Tips for Senior or Arthritic Dogs free Facebook group, or you can visit me at strongandsteadycanines.com. Thanks so much. Bye.